In this video, we will talk about how to make money online with PayPal. Your adventure awaits. Imagine a world where with every click, you hear a coin drop. It's like a magic garden, but instead of flowers, dollars pop up, ready for you to pick. Each click on the keyboard is a magic seed, and boom! Money grows. This isn't from a fairy tale. It's real and just a click away. Hold that picture in your mind as we get ready for a fun trip. Welcome to Millionaire Ventures Online, your guide to making money on the internet. Today, we're diving into a treasure chest, and PayPal is the magic key. PayPal is not just any key, it's a secure and trusted way to handle money online. It's like having a strong, friendly guard who makes sure your earnings are safe and sound. So, hit that subscribe button and get ready to leap into a world full of opportunities waiting for you. Meet John. He's like many of us, working hard in a boring job from 9 to 5. His bills are scary monsters, growing bigger every day, while his paycheck seems to shrink. Then, he finds a new path, the online money-making world, with PayPal as his trusty friend. With easy clicks and many ways to earn, PayPal lights up hope for John. Today, we'll set off on a journey, exploring how John, and you too, can find a way to more money and fun. Why should you hop on this adventure with PayPal? Because it's not just about making money, it's about doing it easily and safely. PayPal takes care of the tricky stuff, making sure your online earnings reach you securely. It's like having a trusted friend in the digital world, always looking out for you. The PayPal pathways. Online surveys and market research. Dive into a simple world where sharing your ideas earns you money. There are places on the internet, like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie, that want to know what you think about different things. They ask, you answer, and just like magic, money appears in your PayPal account. It's like having a friendly chat, but you get paid for it. Every time you share what you think, you make some money. It's easy, fun, and you can do it while sipping a cup of hot cocoa at home. So, every time you see a new survey pop up, remember, it's a small treasure chest waiting to be opened. With each click, your PayPal account gets a little more cheerful. Freelancing. Imagine a playground where you can show off what you do best, be it drawing cute cartoons, writing cool stories, or helping folks fix computer hiccups. Places like Upwork or Fiverr are where you can play and shine. And the cool part? Every time someone likes what you do, they send money straight to your PayPal. It's like having a lemonade stand, but on the internet. You show your magic, people love it, and the reward? A happy chime in your PayPal account. So, put on your creative hat, step onto the global stage, and let the world see your magic. Every applause brings a sweet cha-ching into your PayPal. Sell products online. Imagine having a small store, but on the internet. You could sell anything you like, from fancy hats to sweet jams. PayPal is like your friendly cashier who takes care of the money stuff. When someone buys something from your store, PayPal helps put that money safely in your pocket. Websites like Etsy or eBay are places where you can set up your shop. Every sale you make, it's like your online money jar gets a little more filled. It's your own little online shop, and PayPal is there to help. Affiliate marketing. Let's say you find a cool toy, and you tell your friends about it. If your friend buys the toy because of what you said, you get a thank you in the form of money sent to your PayPal. Websites like Amazon have programs that let you share products, and when someone buys through your link, you make money. It's like sharing cool stuff and getting a thank you note filled with money each time. Online tutoring. Imagine being a helper in a classroom, but online. You can help people learn things you're good at, like math, science, or a new language. Websites like Tutor, Calm, or VipKid are like online classrooms. When you help someone learn, it's like they say thank you by sending money to your PayPal. Every lesson you give is a chance to help someone and make some money too. It's like being a friendly teacher, and your PayPal account gets a little thank you with each lesson you teach. Micro-task websites. Picture a digital playground with various mini-games, each rewarding you with a small prize upon completion. This is what micro-task websites like Amazon Mechanical Turk or Clickworker offer. Here, you can engage in simple tasks like clicking on pictures or giving your opinions. Each task completed sends a little money straight to your PayPal. The more you participate, the more you earn. It's easy, enjoyable, and open to everyone. Whenever you have some spare time, dive into this digital playground, complete a few tasks, and watch your PayPal balance grow. It's a relaxed and playful way to make money online. Every completed task is a small addition to your PayPal, making it a fun activity to engage in during your free time. So, are you ready to jump into these micro-task websites and start collecting your little treasures? Remember, every task completed is a step closer to a heavier PayPal balance, making the journey enjoyable and rewarding. Ebook sales. Have you ever had a story to tell or information to share? Writing an ebook can be like having a heart-to-heart chat with the world. And guess what? Websites like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Smashwords let you share your ebook with others. When someone buys your ebook, money glides into your PayPal. Your words, your stories, they become little seeds of income. So, start writing, share with the world, and watch your PayPal smile with every sale. Stock photography. Do you love taking pictures? Websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock allow you to share your photos with the world. Every time someone buys your photo, your PayPal account gets a little thank you. It's like your pictures go on adventures and send back postcards filled with earnings. So, grab your camera, capture the magic around, and let your photos bring a sparkle to your PayPal. Your every click can tell a story and earn money too. Peer-to-peer and microtransactions. Imagine having a simple tool in your pocket that lets you send money to friends or receive money from family instantly. That's what PayPal does. It's like passing a note in class, but this note has money attached to it. And microtransactions? They're just as easy. Whether you're buying a cool digital sticker for 50 cents or selling a hand-knitted coaster, PayPal handles these small transactions smoothly. It's your go-to buddy for quick and easy money exchanges. But remember, while PayPal is a secure harbor, there are some pirates lurking around. They might trick you with fake emails or phishing scams, pretending to be PayPal. Always remember, never share your PayPal password with anyone, and if an email looks suspicious, check it directly with PayPal. Being aware and cautious keeps your treasure chest safe from these online pirates. Starting your PayPal adventure. Think of PayPal as your key to online treasures. It's simple: create an account, link your bank, and start sending or receiving money. Dive deeper by exploring features like invoicing or setting up a business account to unlock more earning opportunities. Each feature is a stepping stone to boost your PayPal balance. Remember, this journey isn't just about making money. It's a fun adventure into the world of online earnings. So, take the first step, explore with PayPal, and see your earnings grow. With Millionaire Ventures Online, your journey to discovering digital treasures is always exciting and rewarding. Each venture with PayPal brings you closer to financial joy, making the process enjoyable and fruitful. Your new beginning with PayPal. Let's hop back to John's tale. His PayPal is now busy, collecting dollars from all the fun tasks he does online. He's not juggling bills anymore, instead, he's enjoying his earnings. PayPal showed him many fun ways to earn, like chatting in surveys, selling cute photos, and more. Now, it's your turn to play this easy money game. Hop onto Millionaire Ventures Online again to explore more treasure islands. Smack that subscribe button to join the treasure hunts. The more you click, share, and subscribe, the closer you get to your treasure. So, with a cheerful heart, step into this new world with PayPal. Each day brings a chance to earn, learn, and giggle as your PayPal fills up. The joy of earning is just a click away. Let PayPal be your fun money buddy in this joyful earning journey. Until our next treasure hunt, keep clicking, keep earning, and stay jolly with PayPal. Your next fun earning spree is just a wait away on Millionaire Ventures Online. So, are you ready to make your PayPal happy?